Yeah, not in a fun way. I mean, you can mosey around and, try to, push through it, but it's not going to be fun. Hey, this is Lance McGowan and
Malay Simpson.
Well, you just listed your car as a Turo host, and what's next? I mean, how do you earn some extra income with Turo as a new host?
Yeah, right. It's really cool. So that's exactly what I did. I really didn't know a lot about it, but I just, downloaded the app, put my car on there, took some pictures, and before I know it, I had someone renting out my car. So I kind of learned as I went, but it's really kind of cool because whether you don't use your car all the time, or you use it less than 20% of the time, the other times you can rent out your car and earn extra income. So it's great for people that even have a car payment. Maybe they want to subsidize the car payment. On average, 9 days renting out your car, you can actually cover your whole car payment on average. And then, you can, if you want to rent out more days, you can cover your insurance that you pay on your car, maybe the maintenance on your car. I just had a full tint job put on my car, which I'd been kind of putting off. I've had my car for a couple of years, and because of Turo, I wanted to have a tint job. I live in Las Vegas. It's hot. I should have a tint job,
Right.
but I'd kind of been putting it off. So now that's part of my. I can even write that off as as a business expense, and of course, my customers can enjoy having a tinted car as well, and I can as well. So it is a really great way to earn a little extra supplemental income if you're open to meeting new people, having great customer service, and working with Turo, the company, to create that additional income for you.
Yeah, so it sounds like Turo is like the Airbnb of car rentals, and you can earn some supplemental income as well when your car's not being used, which for most people will be most of the time. So that's really good to know. But we're not gonna, when we're traveling and out and about, we do have a form of transportation now, so we can check that box. But what about where are we gonna sleep at? Like we're not just sleeping in the Turo car, hopefully not, unless it was a van that was really large. But okay, so what is Airbnb for folks who don't know, and how can new Turo hosts enhance the experience for their own guests?
All right, so Airbnb is super similar to the Turo. So there's an app. You download it and you can pick unique local accommodations. You can get $40 off your first trip at $75 or more. And so you are renting either an entire home or just a room from a individual or family and supporting their income instead of renting from a larger corporation. And what this gives you is more personalized service, more unique experience that you would otherwise get in just the conventional hotel room. So it's really very cool to be able to use both Turo and Airbnb when you travel, both. And a lot of people do. They're comfortable with the process now, and they're able to do both.
Yeah, so I know some people may rent Turo. Usually they have a place to stay, and then they're wondering how to get around, right?
Yes.
And so, but maybe it could go the other way around too. Like they have a rental car, and they're maybe staying at a hotel, but in the future on their next trip, they may choose Airbnb because they know that you offer that or somebody else offers that as well. And so it sounds like you're able to travel and support a local business owner as well, and then you're also able to stay somewhere and have more customization, personalized support, and actually freedom and control too, because it's a really nice place that you offer, or that it just kind of depends if you want to go on the strip or in Las Vegas, or if you want to have more of a suburban kind of home feel. But it sounds like both are a really good option to give you that personalized support.
Yeah, I think it's a fun way to travel, and I totally support everyone that does it, and also that uses the service. And as a Turo host and an Airbnb host myself, I like to give my customers the most excellent service and unique experience, and I like to use natural solutions for them in the room and also in the car. So what I have is this On Guard. It's called On Guard spray, and this is very great at you just spray this on your hands, spray it on the steering wheel. I leave one of these in the car for my Turo people so they can feel like they can clean the car. Even though it's clean already, it's just making sure they feel comfortable there, and so they can use that anytime they need to on the dashboard or the steering wheel. I also have this in my home as well for my Airbnb customers. And then this Family Essentials Kit is really awesome for traveling, whether you are renting from Turo or you are renting from Airbnb, to have this kit with you, whether you're a customer or a host as well. So what can you tell us about the 10 essential oils that are in this kit, Lance?
Yes, so when you become a Turo host, it's so important to be able to stay healthy yourself so you can continue to offer that service to others, or it's important to be able to offer that, if you'd like, to your customers as a way to enhance their experience so they stay healthy as well. And so the essential oils in here, it comes with the top 10, like Melise said, and they help with energy, digestion, sleep, stress, muscles, joints, and really supporting your immune system. And so when your guests are staying, instead of buying something synthetic or toxic, they can use something natural that's already in the car or already in the room that they're staying in, so they can stay healthy from that. And there also comes with some beadlets here, so the On Guard helps support the immune system and helps with the scratchy throat. Peppermint beadlets help with opening up the airways and digestion and freshening breath as well. And they're like little balls of essential oil. And so this is a really great practical way to support your own health as a Turo host, but then also help your guests when they're in your car and keeping some in the glove compartment, or just showing maybe one of them, like the On Guard. I tell them they can put a drop on the each of the floor mats on the driver's side, passenger side, and back seats, so you get a little aromatherapy, and you also help with supporting the immune system as well. And that's one of the oils featured in here too.
Right. And so if you decide that whether you're a customer or a host and you want to get a kit like this, so what do we offer for that?
Oh yeah, so if you become a wholesale customer with us through the essential oils, and you mention the word Turo, then you also get this On Guard spray, which is a really nice gift that we offer. And then we also offer a natural solutions kit if you just want to make over your health or kitchen cabinet, which isn't featured here, but I'll have the link in the description below so you can check that out. It's like a 15-part video series, so you can learn about all the benefits and uses of all the products in that kit. That's amazing if you're just, hey, I want to just transform my home into something that's natural and healthy. We offer some On Guard throat drops, and that will help with supporting the immune system as well for any purchase of the Natural Solutions Kit when you mention Turo as well. And so there's different kits, as you can probably already tell. We're just featuring this one because it's the most affordable, most popular one, and it's the one that most people start with actually, but it's all good either way.
Yeah, I love that we just support our health naturally. We're going green with the cleaning and the health, and having these unique experiences that we've never had before. It's an amazing way to travel and to support yourself while you're out and about, because it's the worst thing to ruin your vacation or your business trip and when something goes wrong.
Yeah, because some people are like, well, why are we combining all three of these together? These are three separate companies, what's the point? Well, when you're traveling, you have to have a way to get around. That's Turo. You have to have a place to sleep at night. That's Airbnb. And you can't do either of those if you're not healthy. And so that's where doTERRA comes in. Yeah, not in a fun way. I mean, you can mosey around and try to push through it, but it's not going to be fun. So.
Right.
Well, that's all we have for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check out the links in the description below so you can learn all about Turo and becoming a host, also Airbnb, becoming a customer or a host, and then also about these awesome essential oils and how you can support your health in whatever you do. And other than that, make sure to hit the like button if you did, hit the subscribe button for future video updates, and we'll see you in the next video.